So hi everybody and welcome back to the Unreal Engine 5 full game tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 2 and in this video I want to talk about our team development so far and update what we did and how we organize all this kind of stuff. First of all, let's start with the meeting people. Right now I'm meeting different kind of people who are interested in this free project. Like I said in my last video, everybody can join, and there are some people who are interested in this game, and I organized online meetings with them so that we can connect to each other, set our goals, and change information. And this kind of stuff happens all time, of course, right now online, which means these people which who I'm meeting here in different time zones sometimes, and this kind of stuff need to be organized. So in team development, compared to solo development, you have a little bit more work with organization. And this is a change, at least for me, because right till now I was more the solo developer, and I could plan all things like I want. And right now we are focusing, at least I'm focusing also on more schedules, which means I have to plan. But important is here, at least from my point of view, that the other people should have a schedule that they can work very chilled, not stressy, and so on. So I try to make the meetings every only 2 days a week. Even that is much, but with all the people I talked, they said they wanted first every day. That would be crazy in my mind. I mean, if you are going for professional if you are going for professional development later, then you have probably every day a short meeting and so on. But online, and we are still learning process, and we are not paid right now. You make this all on your free will. I think we go a little bit slower, which means two meetings a week is a lot, I think. And if they can manage this one, I'm happy. And yeah, the meetings which we are doing, at least which I planned, is so that we are coming together one day. We are talking about what we achieved, what we our next goals, and that's it actually. And then an update, of course. And then they have again a little bit time till the next meeting, some days to accomplish the next work, the next steps, and so on. That's so our meeting routine till now. The next thing what I want to talk about is our organization tools. We are learning, we are trying out different organization tools like I showed you in my last video. We will use this Trello app for just give us an overview and see if this is working out to share our work online. And then we will also use GitHub as our source control right now. We test this if this GitHub source control is good, because there are other options as well. But right now GitHub is very, very popular, I would say. And yeah, we will test this if this is good. And then we talked also in our team about licensing, because everybody needs to protect their work and make a license agreement so that I can, for example, share things on YouTube or anywhere. So we need a contract that is just legal to share the work and how we are using the assets or the game and all this kind of stuff. We have to work this out together. So this kind of stuff is also very interesting. And of course, most people who joined till now are more interested in, for example, right now they are doing it for free, which means they have other interests like profile, for example. They is to advertise themselves, to get experience in in game development, and of course putting all this kind of stuff in their profile and to show off. So you can see everybody has his own goals, and that's also very important. And yeah, that's more or less so far. You can see we are just learning by doing, which means just try out, see how this works, and then adjust if it's not work. So make it work anyhow. Right now, what I wanted to also mention is, because this team development for me, it's new. The only one who has a meeting every day right now, it's me, because I talk to them and they have different schedules. And yeah, so it's a little bit time consuming, I would say, because now, like I said, I have to manage a little bit more, because I'm managing this whole thing, this whole project so far. And like I said in this tutorial, and I told them also, if nobody is doing something, no problem, I will finish this game no matter what, because I can do all parts, perhaps not perfect, but I can do all parts anyhow. And that's why I decided to go for that. And of course, I'm learning a lot from them. That's the nice part. And they teach me a lot of things. I'm so happy about that. And I hope we get better. And this video is made for you so that you can think about it too, to perhaps you want to do also a team development later and try this out. And yeah, that's why I'm updating my experience here a little bit. And so far, so good. It works out, and like I said, this game free, we have a deadline about 3 weeks, which means end of May we should be finished as a group. And this game is a very little game. Like I said, it's a mobile little game, so I make a very doable game, so not a big game with many ambitions. That's wrong, that would fail. That's why I said we make a little game, what we can really achieve, what we can finish, and what we can even release. So that's so our update, and that's so the part what I wanted to share so far. And all the things what I mentioned right now, I will show you also in this tutorial series. What I mean with that is we will set up, for example, Trello. That's new a little bit for me, this organization, to show you this one. This a little bit introducing this up for you here in this tutorial series. GitHub, I already set this up, but I will set up this again, the source control, and then let's see how to set up for team. So I will show you this one as well. Then licensing, I will show you how we are going to agree on license agreement, or we are using common template, and then everybody is using this one so that we have this one. Yeah, so that's why I'm mentioning all this kind of stuff, because I will share also how this team development is going on and so forth. And I hope it can help you if you are going to create a game. And later we dive, of course, into the parts which I'm going to make, because I have, my role is right now organizing plus finishing all the parts which can't be made by them, which is mostly programming, I think, and later perhaps animations a little bit or other stuff, but we will see. And with that said, I stop here, and if you have any interest or any other questions, like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye, good luck, and like all time, have fun and never give up.